we'll discuss how to add or user extra fields to front-end pages using shortcode. Okay. One of my subscribers has commented how to add these fields in front-end. So I am making a video for that. First of all, open code generator and then whatever field you want to add. For example, I want to add phone number and I want to add address. These two fields I want to add. So first of all, we need to add it to the dashboard. I mean user profile. So we take user extra fields. Then we'll get this code. If you already have a plugin, then you need to add this code in your index file. So if you don't have a plugin, you need to create a new plugin. Add our own plugin here. So first of all, I'll go to picture manager, WP content, plugins, and then I'll create a new folder. So sample plugin 11. So this folder I have created. Then I'll create a new index file. Okay, we can simply open this in Sublime Text. Okay, so we need to create an index file. Okay, save, otherwise new file, then save it. PHP. So whatever name you want to give, you can give that name. So I will always give index.php. Then we need to create index file now. So WordPress code generator. So you can give any name, my extra fields, like that. So if you want to show these fields in front end, then you need to create a shortcode. Okay. So click on index file. So if you already have a plugin, you should add just this part, this last line. If you don't have plugin, you have to take the complete code. Then go to index.php, paste it, and then this one. So this is user extra fields code. So create a new file, save it with any name extra fields.php, and then paste this code. And we should include this extra fields.php file in our main index file. Okay, include extra fields.php. So that code will be executed along with index file. Okay, now we have to activate this plugin, my extra fields plugin. Okay, reload the plugins page. Okay, so we have to activate this my extra fields plugin, extra fields in users page. So go to user, this you can edit any user profile and then scroll to bottom, then you can see the phone number and address fields here. Okay, so I am keeping some random number, then I will update. So we should add these fields in front end also. Okay, for this we have to use shortcode, that is my extra fields. Okay, so we need to create a new page and keep that shortcode in that page. Okay, my extra fields, you can keep any title, page title your wish. So this is the shortcode included in square brackets, and then publish the page. So as of now it is showing my extra fields.php is not there. Okay, so we need to create a new file. So this is my extra fields.php. This is for displaying the short code. You can change it to front end fields. Okay. In order to avoid the confusion, you can change its name. Create new file. So save it frontendfields.php. So once we save that file, we can see the data is coming here. So in this page, we have to display these fields data, that is phone number and address. Okay. This page you have to design on your own. Okay. Phone number, then PHP start echo. I'll keep dollar phone. Okay. So similarly, address, I'll keep it as address. So now we have to get data from the database. PHP. Okay. First of all, we need user ID. That is get current user ID. After that, we have to fetch its a meta. Phone is equal to get user meta. First parameter is user ID. Second one is field name, and third one is true. True for single value. Okay. So second one is address and address. So let's see. Unexpected. Okay, we have to close the PHP part. Now it is showing the phone number and address. Similarly, you can change the HTML layout. You can add any table and you can fetch a number of data. If you have so many fields, then there is another way to do to get all the fields at a time. Okay, you should not specify the meta key. You just take complete metadata into a variable. Now, if you want phone number, then you have to say phone of 0. Similarly, if you want address, then meta of address of 0. So like this also it will work. If you have so many fields, then no need to run get user meta function so many times. So you can simply run one complete metadata and take it into $meta variable, and then you can echo it in the form of arrays. So in this way you can add extra fields data into the front end pages. So you can keep this page name as my profile or my details something, then you can show this in front end. If you have any doubts, you can comment it, then I'll try to make new videos depending on your comments. Okay, thank you.